The Samsung Galaxy A07 is priced around 134,800 naira, while the Redmi 15C is priced slightly higher at 138,700 naira for the base model. Actually, they are currently the latest entry-level smartphones you can buy under $100, which should be around 150,000 in naira. So, choosing between the Samsung Galaxy A07 or the Redmi 15C is your choice. But it's probably my job to make sure you get the best device for yourself. And in this video, we'll be comparing both phones in terms of specs and features to see which is worth buying. Let's find out. What's up guys, it's Lord here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time checking us out, you're very welcome. Please be sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button as well. It's the best way to support this channel and I really appreciate it. Thanks. So we will start with the first thing you notice when you pick up a smartphone: design and build quality. Both of these smartphones comes with a pretty good design, but I'm going to say that this aspect is more subjective. I mean, the Samsung Galaxy A07 gives off a simple vibe and minimalist look, rocking two camera setup on the rear with a U-shaped notch screen design on the front. We aren't even expecting a punch-out display at this price point though. While on the other hand, we have the Redmi 15C with a more classic vibe. It looks glossy and it tends to attract smudges. The Redmi 15C comes with 4 color options, but the blue variant is my favorite. Now, both devices have an IP rating for dust and splash resistant, but the Redmi 15C has a better IP64 rating compared to the Samsung Galaxy A07 IP54. And it also features a Gorilla Glass 3 screen protector for its display, which is a big plus for the Redmi 15C. Both smartphones' designs are subjective, it all depends on the vibe you are going for, but I would say the Redmi 15C wins on this aspect because of that Gorilla Glass 3 screen protector and that slightly better IP rating. Next up are their displays. Both the Samsung Galaxy A07 and the Redmi 15C have similar 720 pixel HD Plus display resolution. The Samsung Galaxy A07 has a PLS LCD, while the Redmi 15C has an IPS LCD. For most people, the difference between these displays are unnoticeable, but think of the PLS of the Samsung Galaxy A07 as Samsung's own version of IPS that is often a little brighter. The Samsung Galaxy A07 features a 6.7-inch screen size with a high refresh rate of 90Hz. Now this is great for an entry-level smartphone because it provides smooth scrolling on apps and quick navigation on websites. On the other hand, the Redmi 15C features a slightly bigger display, a 6.9-inch screen size, and a massive refresh rate of 120Hz. Now this is a great market strategy from Xiaomi, but the question is, does this smartphone actually refresh at 120Hz all the time? Well, it does its obsession, but not everywhere. So even if we set the refresh rate to 120Hz, it will still switch between 120Hz, 90Hz, and 60Hz. The display is smooth, but you won't notice much difference compared to the 90Hz on the Galaxy A07, and that is if you prefer phones with bigger screens. Moving on to the performance, this is where the Samsung Galaxy A07 really shines. It features the MediaTek Helio G99 octa-core processor, which is a powerful chipset built on 6nm built-on process, while the Redmi 15C is powered by the MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra chipset. Both processors are good for everyday tasks and stuff, but when it comes to the real-world performance like gaming and slightly heavier tasks, the Samsung Galaxy A07 will hold up more. Comparing both smartphone benchmark scores, including CPU, GPU, Antutu, and Geekbench, the Helio G99 will consistently outperform the Helio G81 Ultra. For more clarification on the chipset, you can check comparison websites like versus.com. All I'm saying is that both smartphones are entry level and you shouldn't expect anything above average. Gaming on both smartphones won't be an issue as long as your expectations are low. But regardless, I still prefer the Helio G99 chipset. It's a huge improvement for Samsung. In terms of camera, both the Samsung Galaxy A07 and the Redmi 15C comes with a 50MP main camera with an 8MP selfie camera. On this aspect, there isn't much difference. The only big difference lies between their image processing, and I'm going to say Samsung has a better image processing. With that said, you're getting good image quality from both phones and they can record in 1080p at 30 frames per second. The Samsung Galaxy A07 has a 60 frames per second option for 1080p video, which gives you smoother look if you prefer that. The price point I mentioned earlier was for the base model of both phones. The Samsung Galaxy A07 comes with 4GB of RAM and 6GB of internal storage, while the Redmi 15C comes with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. There are other storage options available like 6GB, which I highly recommend, and even 8GB option if it's available in your region. Just know that it will cost you slightly more. Moving on to the software, Both the Samsung Galaxy A07 and the Redmi 15C comes with Android 15 out of the box, with the Samsung Galaxy A07 based on Wi-Fi 7, while the Redmi 15C is based on HyperOS 2.0. Now, bloatware and ads are not excluded from both phones, but you can pretty much uninstall most of them. Both smartphones lack some of the latest AI features, probably because they are entry-level smartphones, and these brands didn't want their budget device to have it all. This is understandable, I guess. The Redmi 15C does not have some multitasking features, and some customization options are limited. While the Samsung Galaxy A07 can multitask, though features like Edge panel and default screen recorder aren't available. But both software experience are good, and here is a huge difference. You are getting 2 years of major software update on the Redmi 15C, while on the Samsung Galaxy A07 you are getting 6 years of software updates. That's pretty impressive though. Let's see if the Samsung Galaxy A07 can hold up until then. On this aspect, I'm picking the Samsung Galaxy A07 because why not? Both smartphones have side mounted fingerprints. For battery life, you are getting 5000 mAh battery with 22W fast charge on the Samsung Galaxy A07. While on the Redmi 15C, you are getting a massive 6000 mAh with a faster charge of 33 watts. The Redmi 15C will literally last you longer on a daily usage and also charge faster. So the Redmi 15C wins on this one. So in conclusion, I would say go for the Samsung Galaxy A07 if you prioritize faster processor, longevity, and superior video recording. Go for the Redmi 15C if you prefer bigger display, better battery life, and faster charging speed. With that, we've come to the end of this comparison, and I hope this video helps you to make the right choice for yourself. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell to always get notified whenever we drop a new video on the channel. Peace.